First of all, install DLT DuckDB. Also install DBT with DuckDB support. Create the pipeline. We will be using the GitHub issues, have it saved into our DuckDB destination. Next, this is an optional step for me to make sure that the data is actually there. So you can initiate your DBT project with the command dbt init. This particular project file gets created. We define the schema inside models, inside a YAML file. I want my master table to be called issues master. Then we have columns. The next step would be to define it as a SQL model using this. And now I can run the DBT runner inside the ELT. First of all, define a new dataset called modeled issues, attach a virtual environment, then get the DBT runner. We define that with the pipeline, and directly you can execute dbt.runAll, and it will now get inside of your destination.